Adobe released a beta version of Photoshop, including AI tools from Adobe Firefly. The feature is called Generative Fill, and it will change how we create digital images. Generative Fill uses AI to create backgrounds and other digital objects, making creating stunning images that don't correspond to real life easier than ever. One of the most exciting things about Generative Fill is the ability to extend an image beyond its original limits. With this feature, designers can highlight a region outside of the original image and let the AI fill in the details, creating a seamless and stunning image. And don't worry about authenticity. Adobe has implemented a digital watermarking scheme called Content Credentials that will identify the resulting image as AI-generated. With Generative Fill and Adobe Firefly, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.